Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I am totally obsessed with decorating, DIYing, shopping, and just home decor. So if you're into that, definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And today's video is another Dollar Tree haul. Okay, so let's start off with probably my favorite items, these handmade cards. Dollar Tree comes out with these for almost every holiday, and with each holiday and each season, they get better and better, and these Easter ones are no exception. They are some of the best that I have ever seen. It was so hard to narrow it down. I only needed one, but I ended up with 4. But you can frame these and you can use them in crafts and DIYs. And you guys, it was so hard to even narrow it down to just 4. They were so good. So there is in-store footage at the end of this video, like most of my Dollar Tree hauls. So the first one that I picked up is this one with the bunny with the gorgeous flower crown. It's just so cute. These cards all have like little pop-up details, metallic, glitter, the works. And this one actually has a scalloped edge and the inside is pink. A lot of them have colored insides, which is just another amazing detail. You can't beat these for $1. I just absolutely love these, and they even have details on the back. So they are just worth so much more than $1. I'm so impressed. This one is probably my favorite along with the first one that I showed you, but this one says hop to it with the kind of hipster bunny with the pop-up gingham gold bow tie. So cute. This one has a little bit of a masculinity to it. So if you need an Easter card with that would be more appropriate and like a masculine sort of a print, this is definitely the one to get, but I think anybody would love this. And I like that Dollar Tree did bring out one that is slightly more masculine, because Easter can be super cutesy and girly, and I don't know, this one really was speaking to me, and I think that I might frame it. This next one is adorable. I thought that I might be able to come up with a DIY for this. There are these like pop-up arrows that look to be on like a yard stake, and it says egg hunt, bunnies, and candy. And the bunny font looks very similar to our girl Rae Dunn's font. You guys probably already know that I am a very amateur Rae Dunn hunter and collector. Honestly, I don't go too crazy for Rae Dunn, but I do love like the Christmas and fall stuff. And anyways, when I saw the bunnies, I had to get this, and hopefully I can come up with a DIY for this one. And then the last one has this adorable Dalmatian that is covered in paint, and there's eggs. It says Happy Easter in silver. This kind of just reminded me of our new puppy Dory. She is a lab mix, but we're not sure what she's mixed with. We did a DNA test on her and we're just waiting for the results. So if you guys want me to update you, I will on Instagram or maybe in the community tab or something. Just let me know if you want me to tell you guys. But I wouldn't be surprised if she has a little bit of Dalmatian in her after seeing this puppy. Similar body types. She has polka dots on her legs. They're so cute. That's like the thing that drew me to her first, just by appearance. And anyways, I just had to get this card because it reminded me of my little Dory. Next, I picked up this adorable welcome sign with the pastel glitter bunnies. They have little pom-pom tails that are just so cute. They had this last year, and I did purchase it last year, but I was so bad at storing my Easter decor when I lived at my apartment. I would just stash it in random places instead of putting it all together. So I went ahead and picked up another one of these because I saw them back again this year. This is one of the best Easter signs that they have. And if I have doubles, then it's fine. It was just $1. I just didn't want to maybe not be able to find this and not have it, so I got another one. And then just to clear up a little bit of confusion, I did haul this in my last video and I said that I got it last year. And what I meant by that is that I also purchased this one last year, but I bought it again this year for the same reason as the last one that I showed you. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find it, so I went ahead and just got a second one. And these are available, so if you are wondering if you're gonna be able to find it this year, yes. This is the one that I showed in my last haul. And it is new. It was a new one, not the one that I purchased last year, so I just wanted to clear up any confusion with that. Also for a DIY, I got this mini wicker or willow wreath. They have these in, I think, 3 sizes now, at least at my Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and got one for a DIY. Like I said, these were so hard to come by in the fall and in the winter time. So I was very quick to grab one when I saw them restocked. I'm probably gonna go back and get a few more so I have them on hand for upcoming DIYs. But anyways, if you like my DIYs and you follow along with them, if you see the smaller version, definitely pick it up. So I think these are the last DIY items that I have in this haul. I got 4 of these picture frames. They look very realistic. They're supposed to look like wood. Obviously it's faux wood, but it looks really good. It would definitely fool you from afar and even up close. So I went ahead and got 4 of these, and you'll see these in an upcoming DIY. Another amazing returning Easter item this year are these linen little Easter baskets. These are so nice. They had these last year and they flew off the shelves. So if you were looking for them last year and you couldn't get them, definitely run to your Dollar Tree now. They will be gone very soon. And I just cannot get over these. Pottery Barn Kids has something almost identical for $30, and it even looks to be a similar size. So these actually are even cuter than the Pottery Barn version. I'm not just saying that, I truly believe it. But the blue version has the blue gingham. It is fairly nice quality. It's a little bit flimsy, but I think you'll be able to use this for more than a year. And then the pink version has like pink polka dots, and I love that these are kind of smaller. I'm going to be making my niece and nephew Easter baskets, and I tend to go overboard like when I do Easter baskets and stockings, so I'm happy that these are small because I won't be able to spend too much money because it doesn't take a lot to fill these up. It seems like my Dollar Tree had put out just a couple summer things. I saw flip-flops at my one Dollar Tree, but I forgot to take any footage. And then I saw these, which are so cool. They're inflatable cup holders. This one is in the shape of a flamingo. I think I also saw a palm tree. Target Dollar Spot came out with these last year, and I ended up putting them into bridal shower gift baskets for the games that we played. If you won, you would get a prize. It was a gift basket, and these were a huge hit, so it's cool to see them at Dollar Tree. I picked up just one for now. I'm gonna see if I blow it up, if it holds up, and if it does, then I have a bachelorette party in March, and I think it would be really fun to get all the girls one of these. It would be super affordable as well. So I'll keep you guys updated if this works or not, if it holds up. I have a little bit of a headache right now, so I don't feel like blowing it up, but I'll let you guys know in my next video. Okay, so I found some amazing socks 2 videos ago. It was a week and a half ago, I think, and I thought I found all of them, but I missed one, and it is this pair here. This is so stinking cute. It has the llamas on it, and some of the llamas have sunglasses on, and then the other ones are just wearing like maybe like a necklace or I don't know, in a saddle. Just so cute. It's like very boho. It even has the sort of like Aztec-y boho inspired flowers, and I'm just so into that. I actually got these for my mom. I made little Easter gifts for my parents, and I realized that my mom's was a little bit bulkier than my dad's, so I just ended up keeping these for myself so that their gifts would be kind of even. I know that's silly, they wouldn't care, but I don't know, it's just like a weird thing that I have, that I want people's gifts to be even. So I get to keep the llama socks for myself, and I am selfishly excited about it. And I am really excited about these last 2 items. These are some candles from Dollar Tree. Now, I typically stay away from the candles there just because I am a huge candle fanatic. I don't splurge on a lot of things in my life, but I like to splurge on my candles. I get high-end ones, I get Bath & Body Works ones, I get Walmart ones, and I'd rather just save my money for any of those brands of candles versus the Dollar Tree ones that typically don't perform. But I had to get these because they are Bath & Body Works dupes. So here's the 2 that I got. There was one called Coconut Leaves, and I'm not sure if that's a Bath & Body Works dupe or not. But this one is Watermelon Lemonade, which is one of Bath & Body Works' most popular and overrated candles. I've never purchased it for myself, even though I like the way it smells, but I went ahead and got this one, and it smells so much like watermelon gum. It actually smells kind of good. This might be nice in like a bathroom or a bedroom or something, and I had to get it because it's a dupe. The color's really pretty. If you've tried these yet, let me know. Also, if you're a Bath & Body Works fanatic and you've smelled these already, let us know in the comments below if they are actual dupes, because I actually don't have the original Bath & Body Works versions of these. And then the other one is Marshmallow Lavender. This was a returning scent that was super popular, and then I believe it's discontinued now again. I don't know, I haven't really been following along with Bath & Body Works as of lately, but this one smells so much like Marshmallow Fireside mixed with lavender, astringent lavender. And if I remember correctly, because I did smell Marshmallow Lavender at Bath & Body Works, this is pretty much spot on. I could be wrong. If you're a huge fanatic and you've smelled both, let us know down below if they are actually dupes, so in case people want to look out for these, they can. The one thing I don't love about this one is the label looks really faded, but I think the color of this wax is super pretty. This is the color that I'm decorating with for spring and summer this year, so of course I had to get it. Okay, so that was it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite item was in the comments below. I think I have a few DIY videos coming out. I have a spring decor haul, not Dollar Tree, just other places. And I was thinking about doing like a kind of like a spring and Easter inventory video like I did for fall, where I pull out all my spring and Easter stuff, assess what I have so that I know what I need to get and what I don't need to get. So if you guys would be interested in that, let me know and I will definitely film it. You guys liked my fall version, but I know that you guys are fall people too, just like me, so maybe spring and Easter wouldn't be as interesting, but just let me know. And I want to thank you for spending some time with me today. I so appreciate it. I know you could be on anybody else's video, but you are on mine right now, and it means the world to me. And I will catch you all in a future video. Bye, guys.
Yeah, that's why I got that funny colored blue, because
Rebecca is blocked.
Bunny loves you. Some of these are missing their galvanized accents, so look out for that. This is from last year. Here's the welcome to our patch sign. This one is so cute. Easter greetings. These are really cute. I love the text that they used for Easter. Wow. And then I'm pretty sure they had these ones last year. I'm not wild about them just because they have too much glitter, but they come in 4 styles. And that one. They have bunny tails and carrots and tons of buckets. I love this color. It's so pretty. These are like burlap stuffed 3D kind of a thing. These are felt. They have egg garlands in 2 different color schemes. And door hangers. They have these back and they're only 50 cents this year. They're so pretty. And these as well, they're only 50 cents. They come in a few different colors. And they have tons of Easter eggs. Oh my goodness. I love the carrots. I used those in my parents' Easter basket last year. These glitter ones are so cute. And these are new. They look like chocolate eggs. Lots of Easter grass. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at these. That is so cute. So is this one. This one is really pretty. Celebrate everything. These are really good.